Hello friends, this is a video about trading journal which I have created in Microsoft Power BI. You can use this template to track your trade performance in your PC as well. You can download Microsoft Power BI by searching Power BI desktop in Google and can download it for free. You can sign in and create a cloud account for free as well. When you install on your desktop, it will look like this, and you can connect your trade history data from data source setting. From here you can connect your data. You have to download the trade history from MT4 or MT5. You can copy all this closed trade history and save it in any Excel file. I have saved this Excel file in this folder. You can have multiple files and the trade histories for multiple accounts. Put the name of account as a file name and then connect this to Power BI desktop. You can publish to cloud like this, which you will be able to view the report in mobile, desktop, web browser, and tablets. So what is trading journal? In every business they need to track their performance. I have to keep the records of their daily activity and to analyze for forecasting and planning. Like in school, the attendance for teachers, students, marks of the students in tests and exams. They will show the performance of students and overall performance of the school. The daily activity journal of any retailer or wholesaler is used to analyze the amount for sales, account receivables, payables, profit and loss, and can be used in future performance for forecasting and planning. Like this, Forex trading is also a business. You can create a trading journal by copying the trade history data inside any Excel file. When you have new trade history data, you can put below the existing data, can save the Excel file and refresh the report. Everything will be updated. So what will be the benefits of trading journal? First, it is easy to use. Within 1 minute or less than 1 minute you can update the trade history data and refresh the whole reports, and at a glance you can see your overall performance and you can see the details of your performance. To avoid losses and eliminate losing trades and to improve your performance. So let us check the details of this report. At the top here there are the filters for account name, for items, the same pairs, the type of trade, buy, sell or deposit withdrawals, the session, and you can filter by any week. For any starting, for any specific period, you can adjust the starting or ending period by this slider, or you can choose any date from this calendar, or you can select any ending date too. This part is account summary. This chart shows the ending balance by date. This shows the ending balance for every trade. Here we had withdrawal, and it shows the boxes will show the beginning balance, deposits, withdrawals, profit or loss, commission, swap, net profit, and ending balance for the same period, and the same criteria that we have inside filter. The net profit for every month. Then you can drill down or drill up. Now it will show for the every year, 2015, 2016, 2017, and 2018. And then you can drill down to quarters for each year, and then you can drill down for to months. For every month we will be having data. The effective key factors, it will show the amount of profit and loss for every pairs for each week of the years, the profit and loss, the total trades, number of winner trades, loser trades, win percentage, loss percentage, average profit or loss per trade, average profit and average loss, the max loss and the max risk. Then you can see the details for the sessions, data for every session, the net profit or loss for every session, and the top 5 pairs, the number of winning trades and losing trades, the winning or losing trades for every week, and in cards we have the total trades, total traded pairs, buy trades, buy trade percentage, sell trade percentage, pips gained, and the expectancy. Expectancy is the result of all this dashboard. It is now minus 88% performance, so it is negative. It shows that these trades were not very profitable, so in future it can make us lose our money, so we have to improve. Then here we have the details, the top 5 best trades, the top worst trades, the performance by pairs. The best pair is USD JPY, and the worst one is Euro USD for this trader. And in pair summary, we have the pairs, the number of total trades for these pairs, the percentage, the net profit or loss for these pairs, average profit and loss, the pips gained, and the other details which I have explained in article. You can read thoroughly. The session summary, all these sessions and the number of trades, and the same information which were for the pairs. Then the duration of the trades. All the trades were closed within 1 hour, and there are few trades which has different durations. So this is very easy to use. You have to just copy and paste your trade history inside any Excel file and link to this template. This will update automatically and will show you the comprehensive analysis of the whole trade histories.